Welcome back. Today we're diving into NixOS 25.05, codenamed Warbler. This release, arriving 6 months after 24.11, brings two long-term kernels, Linux 6.12 LTS and 6.14, so you get stability and the latest hardware support. NixOS 25th of May ships with GNOME 48, giving you a refined interface and performance tweaks. If you want something different, there's initial experimental support for System 76's Rust-based Cosmic desktop. Just enable the Cosmic greeter and services.desktopmanager.cosmic in your config, and you're set. A big addition is the new nixos-rebuild-ng subcommand. Now you can generate a platform-specific disk images directly from your NixOS configuration. Perfect for streamlined deployments. Under the hood, packaging for Mesa drivers is completely reworked, and there's a full Python rewrite of Nixos rebuild called nixos-rebuild-ng for faster, cleaner builds. The nixos-option tool was simplified too. It's now a Nix expression wrapped by a bash script, letting you inspect options more easily. Channels gain lockable HTTP Tarball support, improving security when fetching binaries. Core components received upgrades. OpenSSH moves to 10.0p2, LLVM to 19, and GCC to 14. In virtualization, Podman backend containers can run rootless. Desktop fans get updated Xfce 4.20, Cinnamon 6.4, and Elementary's Pantheon 8. Plus, numerous new services land in Nixpkgs. Grab the graphical ISO, complete with GNOME or KDE Plasma for x86/64 and ARM64, or try the minimal ISO on the Nixos website. That's NixOS 25.05 in a nutshell. Download it, explore the new features, and let us know what you build.